In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default Gmail account when using multiple sign-in. Managing multiple Gmail accounts can be a bit tricky, especially when you want to set a specific account as the default for all your activities. The default account is the one that opens automatically when you use Google services, and it's the account primarily associated with your browser session. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process to easily set your preferred account as the default. Begin by opening a Google service like Gmail. You'll notice your profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You will see an option that says Sign out of all accounts. Go ahead and select this option. Signing out of all accounts is crucial because Google uses the first account you sign into as the default one. It may feel a bit counterintuitive to sign out completely at first, but it's a necessary step to establish a new default account. Once you've signed out, it's time to log back in. Click on your profile icon once more. When prompted, enter the credentials for the account you want to set as your default. This account will be your primary account, controlling your default settings across all Google services. It's important to only sign into this one account right now because it lays the groundwork for setting your preference. Next, you'll want to verify that this account has been successfully set as your default. Again, click on your profile icon. The account you just logged into should appear at the top of the list. This placement signifies that it is indeed the default account for your current browser session. If you see it there, you've done it correctly. Finally, if you need access to additional accounts, you can now proceed to sign into those. Repeat the sign-in process for these secondary accounts by clicking Add Account from the profile icon. They will be added to a drop-down list under your default account. Even after signing into multiple accounts, rest assured that the first one you logged into will remain the default. This is very convenient as it lets you switch between accounts without the hassle of constantly changing default settings. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed your default Gmail account when using multiple sign-ins. Remember, the default account is tied to the session and browser, so if you happen to switch browsers or devices, you might need to repeat these steps. It's a simple yet effective method for prioritizing your preferred account. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.